Friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I discuss with you the credit cum subsidy scheme of housing. So let's start the discussion. Credit cum subsidy scheme, CCSS. The credit cum subsidy scheme for rural housing was launched with effect from 1st April 1999. The scheme targets the rural families having annual income up to rupees 32,000. The scheme envisages only 12 lakh 5,000 subsidy and remaining amount as loan. The subsidy portion is shared by the center and the state in the ratio of 75:25. The Samagra Awas Yojana (SAY). Samagra Awas Yojana is a comprehensive housing scheme launched recently with a view to ensuring integrated provision of shelter, sanitization and drinking water. It has been decided to take up Samagra Awas Yojana on pilot basis on the block each of 25 districts, 24 states and 1 upon territory which have been identities for implementation the participatory approach under the accelerated rural water supply program. The 2 million housing program. The government launched the 2 million housing program in 1998. The program 85 envisages provision 20 lakh houses every year, 30 lakh houses in the rural area and 7 lakh houses in the urban area, with special emphasis on low income group. The economically weaker section of this HUDCO, the premier public sector techno financing institutions is the country had been assigned an annual target of facilitating 10 lakh units in rural area. Valmiki Ambedkar Awas Yojana, Bombay, with the view to ameliorate the shelter conditions of urban slum dwellers and living below poverty line. The Government of India launched new scheme called Valmiki Ambedkar Awas Yojana, Bombay, in December 2001. Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Rural Mission, NJNNURM. It was launched in December 2005 with an aim to encourage and expenditure urban reforms in India for the housing sector. In particular, its main aim was construction of 1.5 million houses for the urban poor during the mission period 2005 and 2012 in 65 mission cities. In the next video, I will give you other housing projects information. Thank you.